In the heart of ancient Egypt, a secret that has baffled historians and archaeologists for centuries lies buried beneath the sands of time. This intriguing mystery centers around the elaborate process of Egyptian mummification, a practice that has left us in awe and fascinated for millennia. In the land of the Pharaohs, death was not the end, but a journey to the afterlife. The Egyptians believed that the body was a vessel for the soul, and preserving it in the best condition possible was essential for the deceased to enjoy their eternal existence. The process of mummification was a complex and intricate one, involving a series of steps designed to dry and preserve the body. The first step was to remove all internal organs, with the exception of the heart, which was left in place as it was considered the seat of the soul. The organs were then carefully wrapped and placed in canopic jars, each containing one of the four guardian deities, Imsidi, Khebensenyu, Hapi, and Duamutef. These jars were then placed in the sarcophagus, ensuring the safe passage of the deceased to the afterlife. The body was then treated with natron, a mineral salt found in the Egyptian desert, which helped to dehydrate the body. This process, which could take up to 70 days, was a testament to the Egyptians' determination to preserve their dead for eternity. Once the body had been dried, it was covered in a series of bandages, which were often decorated with intricate patterns and symbols. The bandages were made from linen strips, some of which were dyed with vibrant colors. The final step in the mummification process was the application of a layer of resin over the bandages. This helped to seal the bandages and ensure that they remained intact for thousands of years. The practice of mummification was not just a way for the Egyptians to preserve their dead, but also a means of expressing their beliefs and culture. Each mummy was a testament to their devotion to the gods, their love for art, and their hope for an eternal existence. The mummies of ancient Egypt continue to be a source of fascination and wonder for history enthusiasts today. They offer a glimpse into a world that has long since passed, but whose mysteries continue to captivate us. The process of mummification is a testament to the ingenuity, dedication, and belief of the ancient Egyptians, and serves as a reminder of the importance of preserving our past for future generations. In the end, the mummies of Egypt stand as silent sentinels of a bygone era, their secrets locked away in the sands of time, waiting for us to uncover and learn from them. Their story continues to be one that captivates our imaginations and sparks our curiosity, reminding us of the rich and fascinating history that lies buried beneath the sands of Egypt.